Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on tagging people in your Snapchat stories. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tagging people is the same whether it's in a story or a private snap. So if you want to know how to tag someone in a private snap, you can follow these steps also. You have to add someone before you tag them. You don't have to be friends, but you do have to have added them. When you have taken the photo or video that you want to post as your story, tap on the text icon in the top right corner. Tap the @ symbol from the top suggestions bar, or you can tap the 1, 2, 3 button on your keyboard to get to the symbols, and then tap the @ symbol. You will now have a list of suggestions of people you may want to tag. You can choose someone from here, or you can start typing their name until they appear and then tap on their name from the suggestions bar. You can tag multiple people if you like by tapping the @ again. You can also tag people by tapping the sticker icon from the right edit toolbar and selecting the @mention sticker, and then again choosing their name from the suggestions or typing their name. Tap Done when you are happy with your text and tagging, then tap Send To. You can now choose to post this snap as a story or to send it to a friend like normal. When you tag someone in a story, they will be notified that they have been tagged. People who can see your story will be able to see the tagged person's public stories and add them as a friend. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.